Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can clone, array and align objects. So first what we'll need to do is draw a cylinder. Then if we go up to the edit, clone, select the cylinder we've just drawn, go up to edit, clone, copy and then hit OK. Then selecting the move tool, you'll be able to drag it out along any of the axes. So we're going to drag it along the X. Then say we wanted to do it again with the one we've just created, same thing, edit, clone, copy, OK, and then this time we can pull it along the Y. Another way you can do this is by holding down Shift and dragging the object across. What will then happen is once you've dragged it a distance between the two that you're wanting, same dialog box will appear with one difference. It will ask you for the number of copies, so you can select multiple rather than having to do it one by one, which can take some time depending on what you're modeling. So if we type in here 4, this will place 4 cylinders with the same distance apart each time. So rather than having to drag it each time and try to match up, this is a quick way to automatically do that for you. What you can also do is if we go back and select our first drawn one and then go up to the array tool and select it, this dialog box will appear, and this allows you to control the position and the alignment. So you can do it along the X, you can do it along the Y, or you can do it along the Z. So depending on where your placements are, you'll be able to alter the position of your object. What you can also do is if you're wanting multiple across the same, rather than doing it that way, which I just showed you by selecting one, you can do the same by selecting multiple, then holding down Shift once more and dragging out. Then we can do smaller ones, and then we can say, let's say 4. Okay. And that will do 4 each side. So it's not just by selecting one, you can select as many as you like, and that will space it out to what's already there, as you can see. The last way is using the array tool. So if we spin the camera over here, so we've got a bit more room, what we'll be able to do is if we select one of our cylinders, we go up to Tools and select Array, this dialog box will appear. Now first, you'll want to make sure again it is on copy. This is automatically on copy because it was a copy from the original cylinder drawn, but just always make sure you do check this. Now the count is the number of cylinders it's going to form. So for this case, we're just going to do 5, we'll do 6, so it's an even number. And then up here is where you control the spacings and the increments between each pillar. So we'll go along the Y axis. So let's go up here, can go maybe half. And you can always preview, so rather than having to go out, go back in, you can actually select preview with these ones. And as you can see there, it's previewed and they're quite large gaps. Otherwise what you can do, move that one, is we can do it along the X and we can go say 0.1 preview. You can only do one at a time, so it's either the X, Y or the Z, you can't do all of them. But as you can see there, the X has gone across with 0.1. And then if we wanted to go back to the Y to say 0.3, go preview, get back to 0, enter, preview, and you can control that. And that's how you can duplicate one object multiple times, 3 different ways depending on how many you do need. Obviously some of the ways I have shown you are quicker and easier than the others, but it gives you an idea of the options and tools within 3ds Max that allow you to do this. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.